Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Is your door on your vehicle super squeaky when you open and close it? Okay, that's the door stop. The door stop, I'll show you what that is right now. But please don't order one yet. Don't make the same mistake that I made. You might not need to replace it. Does your door sound like this when you open it? Okay, my friends, that right there is the door stop. Let me show you the replacement part that I bought right here, which, by the way, you can tell the tone in my voice. I'm not happy because I didn't need to buy this. This is the replacement. You might have to buy this. You might need to replace this. However, I'm going to show you right now that on mine, and I think a lot of other people, it's that these nuts work their way loose, and that's what's causing the squeaking on mine. So this is a 10mm socket that you'll need. So that's all you need to do. There's a top and a bottom nut right there. It's kind of hard to squeeze into there just a little bit, right? You got to open the door all the way. And here I am doing it one-handed with the video camera. That's why it doesn't look like I'm very coordinated. But anyway, those are the two nuts. Tighten them back down. Try out your door. That might be the problem. Now, also, that sound can mean that you need to replace the door stop. But for this one, and I suspect a lot of other people out there too, tighten those bolts first, and now let's hear the door. So there you go. It's as quiet as it was 13 years ago when we bought this vehicle. Okay, so if it's still loud and noisy after that, then you do need to go, and I'll put a link to this part down in the description, but check to see if it's tight first. If it's still squeaking, you need to replace this part. I'll also put a link to a video on how to replace it. It's not that bad, but don't replace it if you don't need to. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.